Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to mute a conversation on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This feature is perfect when you want to take a break from message notifications without leaving or deleting the chat. The process is quick and easy, and with the latest update, the snooze option gives you more control over how long notifications stay muted. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home page, look at the menu bar on the left side of the screen. Click on Messages to open your Direct Messages section. This is where all your private chats are displayed. Next, find the conversation you want to mute. Click on it to open the chat window. You'll see the messages on the right and the chat details icon at the top. Look for a small info icon. It looks like the letter I inside a circle, and click on it to open the Conversation Details panel. Inside the Details panel, scroll until you see the option labeled Snooze Notifications. This is the setting that lets you mute that specific chat. Click on the toggle next to it, and a small pop-up will appear asking how long you want to snooze the notifications. You can choose from different time periods depending on how long you want the chat muted. Once you select the duration, the setting will instantly take effect. From that point, you will no longer receive pop-up or sound alerts from that chat during the snooze period. When the time runs out, notifications will resume automatically, so you don't have to manually turn them back on. And that's it. You've successfully muted a conversation on X using the web version on PC. This update makes managing your messages easier, giving you the flexibility to focus on what matters while keeping your inbox distraction-free.